For measuring earth resistance, we will use a device called MEG. So we have to check the earth resistance, because in summer days the moisture content in the soil will get lost. In winter season there is no problem, but in summer there is a chance for dryness in the soil. So in order to maintain the moisture, we have to add some water. So a MEG, earth resistance, is measured with an earth tester, also called a MEG, which can test the resistance across a range of current and distance. It consists of a voltage source, ohmmeter, to measure resistance, and spikes that are stuck into the ground for measuring. You can measure the soil resistance using either the 3-point method or the 4-point method as earthpit maintenance. So for earthing, there are some specification. So at what height we have to make an excavation. First one, the area of 1.5 mm into 1.5 m is excavated to a depth of 3 meter. The pit is half filled with a mixture of wood, coal powder, sand and salt. As I already said, wood, coal powder and sand and salt are used as a conductive medium. That is, it is an electrolyte. Next, a 500 mm into 500 mm into 10 mm GI galvanized iron plate is placed in the middle. Connection between the earth plate and the surface are installed for a system earthing. Next, there may be some empty spaces. That empty space may be filled with coal or sand or salt mixture. To connect the earth plate to the surface, 2 GI strips has to be connected, and its measurement is 30 mm into 10 mm can be used. Additionally, the top of the pipe can be covered with a T-section, because if it is not covered properly, means there may be a chance of dust which deposit on the pipe, and it may lead to the corrosion of the pipe. So in order to avoid, we have to cover the earthing by means of an T-section to prevent mud and dust from entering clogging the pipe. In summer, the pit should be watered to keep it from drying out. Next, advantages of the earth pit method include: wood coal powder is great conductor and prevents corrosion of the metal parts. The salt dissolves in water easily, increasing conductivity significantly. Sand allows water to percolate through the entire pit. To test the effectiveness of the pit, check the voltage difference between the pit and the neutral of the main supply, less than 2 volts. The resistance of the pit should be maintained at under 1 ohm up to a distance of 15 meter from the conductor. Thank you.